Okay. Bike assembly, 24th of August. We were due to leave today, but it looks like we're gonna leave on Saturday, and this bloody claw monkey's falling off the door. So, bike installation 101. My ace mechanic, we've got here Zane Jacobs. It's ZJ Engineering Racing, and yeah, I'm the race pilot. Do you like my orange? Is this orange?
Is it red?
This is my red racing shirt with my North Face, not No Fear, North Face hat. Right, so let's get cracking. Okay, I'm gonna do all of the sort of race pilot stuff and just open all the new kit. Big thanks to Bilco Racing. Thanks for all the support over the past 8 months. You've been great. I know you've put a lot of effort and hard work into getting me where I am now. It's true. Zane and I had a thoroughly successful shopping spree today.
We like a sale.
We love a sale. I think it's one thing Zane and I have in common. We love a sale. Actually, I thought this tool pannier was a bit gay when Zane showed me today, but it's actually quite a good idea. Takes fresh eyes, you know, clear eyes. I spent hours and hours and hours on the internet researching and looking, and I mean, it took me 3 hours just to buy these tires the other night, because you want to know that they're the right tires you're buying, you know, and they're going to last the length. You can't help them if they don't last the length. Well, I was reading that Adam Woolley chap.
Yeah.
He went through 6 pairs of tires, 4 rear wheels. So, yeah, gonna be a tough one, eh?
Yeah, I know. It will be, but
Not gonna be
a decent challenge.
exactly. Okay, it comes with waterproof as well, huh?
That's good, eh?
We didn't know that. Look. Oh, look at that, man. Bounce, 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 bounce. So this is a waterproof cover. So how does that work if it's strapped to your seat? It'll stop all the rain coming out. That must go like that.
Look, I'm pumping up the jam.
Zane is pumping up the tires. These are these Schwabel. You will not believe how heavy these wheels are. Oh! I hope you got that. What happened?
I'm deaf.
So am I. Look at the dogs. It's a case of too much PSI. I think the song was pump up the tire. Bah! It popped off the rim as well.
Yeah. The tires are right. It's just blowing it off the bead.
Well, the whole.
No, it's just.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no.
Wow, man. How much PS?
I still felt it. It felt soft, a little bit more, and then I was just about to stop and it went bang.
I know you know how to put tires on, but like on a road bike, before you pump it up, you always roll the tire.
Right.
Because sometimes the tube gets caught between the rim and the tire.
I'm with you. I'm sorry, son. You one tube down.
Yeah, there's no use in that one. See, like, okay. So I'm just gonna test this one here. Wow, really popped it off, huh? Honest, I've never seen that's tube. That's got nothing to do with the way you install. That's the way See, around the valve with these,
Yeah.
always leave that loose, and always make sure you push. See how it's sticking over still?
Oh yeah.
You need to, and these are obviously quite strong tires. These.
Same principle. Why reinvent the wheel?
Well, this is it, yeah. I don't think you could reinvent the wheel.
Hey, that's alright though.
What? Yeah?
It's all good, so we're just going to work out which are the...
You're not going to have to bend much here.
No. I mean, there might be some small manipulation, but...
Do you know what? To be honest with you, see these here? See this here?
Yeah.
I can get a crud flap here,
Yeah, you could.
rather than going through the rigmarole of all the bend. What do you think?
We'll have a look. We'll see how difficult it will be.
It's a nice room, you know.
Yes,
He's got to hook that up.
Eh?
He's got to put that in there.